So in this demonstration now, I'm going to show you how you can create a resource group. Now, resource group is like every other resources. And there are two ways personally that I used to look for any resources. The first one is to come to this place, and you can see if I come to all resources, it will show me all the resources, and these are just few of those resources. But this one at times is in fact very difficult. You might be looking for some resources for for a lot of time. So I prefer to use this search box. It's very easy. Just type anything you want there. If that resources exist, you will see it in the list. For instance, I'm looking for resource group. The resource group is here, right? Because I accessed it not quite long. But let's assume that it's not here. This one, this place will show you, give you the list of resources that you accessed, recently. Let's assume that it's not there. You come to this place and type it. Resource. You can see resource group, resource guide, resource bridges, and so on. So you click on the resource group. And once you click on the resource group, then it will take you to where you can see the list of all the resource groups that exist on your account. And you can see this information here. It says resource group provide a logical container to manage and organize Azure resources, simplifying administrations and enabling efficient resource management. So I can go ahead and create a new resource group, or I can use this to create a new resource group. So the next thing now is to create a resource group. So resource group is a container that holds related resources for an Azure solution. Resource group can include all the resources for the solution or only those resources that you want to manage as a group. So you decide how you want to allocate resources to resource group based on what makes the most sense for your organization. So the first thing you will select here is your subscription and the resource group. So I'm going to use RG1 as a resource group, and for the resource group, you also need to select a region. You can see, I just talk about a region, in the last demonstration, how important it is for you to know the region you want to, you want your resources to reside. So this is the most popular, region. By default, you always see the East US. So I will leave it like that, and I'll click review plus create, and it will go through process of validation, and it's telling me validation pass. So I'll click create, and this is how I can create a resource group. So it's validating it now, and you can see it said it succeeded. I can see the resource group right here, and it's telling me which subscription do I add that resource group, the location, and so on. Thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, consider subscribing to this channel. Please, let me know what you think in the comment section. And do not forget to leave a like and share this video. See you in the next one.